Hello friends, today in this video let me quickly show you where to find temp tables in SQL Server. Now as part of this video tutorial we are going to discuss three simple approaches to do this. The first approach will be how we can use SQL Server Management Studio design approach, and the second approach will be how we can query sys.objects and get the temporary table details. And the third approach is, you know, and the third approach is how you can query sys.tables to get the temporary table details. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just navigate to SQL Server Management Studio to show you on this. Okay, now let me go there. So, as I told you, the first approach is SQL Server Management Design approach. You can able to see I have already logged into my SQL Server Management Studio and I have connected to my database instance. Okay. Now, what you can do, you can just expand this databases node or folder. You can able to see it here, right? Expand that, and then you can able to see here one tempdb database is by default created, right? So whatever temporary tables you will create, it will go and stored in this database. Okay, now expand this, and again you need to expand these tables, and you can able to see another folder, that is temporary tables. Okay, once you will expand these temporary tables, you can able to see I have a temporary tables called order details. How you will come to know it's a temporary tables? The name will start from hash. It is a local temporary table. In case it is global temporary table, it will start from double hash. Okay, so this shows that this is a temporary table. So basically you need to find it inside this temporary tables folder. Okay, under this temp db databases. So this is the first approach, guys, to see the temporary table details. Now the second approach is you can also use SQL query, right? As I told you, we can query this sys.object system view, right, to get the details of the temporary table. So what you need to type, you can type use tempdb semicolon, and then select star from sys.objects, right? You can able to see it here. Sys.objects, and then you need to add a where condition. We will type where name like operator we will use, and inside the inverted mark we can tell uh, it has, or you can mention the percentage symbol, right? So if it will the name starts with this or it contains this, it now let me just execute this query. The moment I have executed this, you can able to see we got the expected output, right? So we got this same table order details here, right? Which name starts with a hash symbol, that is a temporary table. So this is the second approach, guys. You can query this sys.object view to get the temporary table details. And the third approach is, as I told you, you can also query the sys.tables, right? As I told you. So let me just type that query. It is just a select statement. Select star tempdb dot sys.tables, right? Semicolon. I'm sorry, I'll remove this. If I'll execute this query, you can able to see I got the temp table details. So these are the three simple approaches you can utilize to see or to view the temp table details in SQL Server. So that's it for today, guys. I thought to quickly show you where to find the temp table in SQL Server, and these are the three simple approaches you can utilize to get the details, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video little helpful for you, kindly subscribe to our channel to support us so that you will get lots of free SQL Server tips and many more. Thanks a lot again and have a nice day. Bye bye.